Getting a black screen in After Effects when you hit play? You're not alone. It's one of the most common problems editors run into. There are a few different things that can cause it, but the good news is I've compiled a list of proven steps that can help you fix it. So try each one and don't skip ahead, because the one that works for you might be the last one on the list. Let's fix it fast. Step 1. Turn off caps lock. First, check your keyboard. If caps lock is on, press it to turn it off. In After Effects, caps lock actually freezes the preview window so it doesn't update while you edit. But if you leave it on by accident, you'll just see a black screen. If that doesn't fix it, try the next step. Step 2. Lower your preview resolution. Go to the preview panel and click on the resolution dropdown. If it's set to full, change it to half or quarter. Why? Because high-res previews can overload your system, especially with big files or effects. Lowering the resolution lightens the load and often brings your preview back. If this doesn't fix it, go ahead and try the next step. Step 3. Make sure the eye icon is enabled. Look at the layers in your timeline. Each layer has a little eye icon next to it. If that icon is turned off, the layer will be completely invisible, even during previews. Click on the eye to turn the layer visibility back on. Still not working? Let's keep going. Step 4. Turn off hardware acceleration in After Effects. Click on Edit, go to Preferences, and then click on Display. Now, uncheck the box that says Hardware Accelerate Composition, Layer, and Footage panels. Click OK, then restart After Effects. Why this works? Sometimes your GPU just doesn't get along with AE. This forces it to rely on your CPU instead. Step 5. Check for wireframe mode. Go to the Composition panel and look at the bottom. Click on the Preview Settings dropdown. This might be labeled as Fast Previews. If it's set to wireframe, change it to Adaptive Resolution or Final Quality. Wireframe only shows outlines, which can make your comp look empty even when it's not. If your screen's still black, try the next one. Step 6. Turn off GPU acceleration in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and click on System, then turn off the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Restart Chrome and After Effects. Still not fixed? Let's keep going. Step 7. Purge the cache. Click on Edit, hover over Purge, and then click on All Memory and Disk Cache. Then click OK. Sometimes the preview fails because the cache is corrupted or outdated. Purging forces AE to rebuild everything from scratch. If that doesn't solve it, no worries. Step 8. Switch to software rendering. Click on File, then go to Project Settings. Under Video Rendering and Effects, click on the Renderer dropdown. Change it to Mercury Software only, then click OK. This bypasses the GPU entirely and tells AE to rely on your processor. Bonus tips. Try re-importing your footage. It might be missing or corrupted. Make sure your graphics drivers are updated from your GPU manufacturer's website. And sometimes the easiest fix is just to restart After Effects. It actually works more often than you'd think. That's it. One of these steps should fix your black screen in After Effects. And now you know why each step matters, so if it happens again, you'll know exactly what to do. If this video helped you, go ahead and like it and subscribe for more quick solutions right here on Fix It Fast.